This typical direct proportion question has a very familiar format. Get used to it and you'll find that every question looks the same. On this question, we know that D is directly proportional to the square of E, and that means E squared. To work out what the constant of proportion is in the question, we change the proportion symbol to an equals K times by E squared. Remember, if it's an inverse proportion, it's K divide. Now let's substitute our numbers in. When D is 12, E is 2. Let's just neaten that up, because 2 squared is 4. Dividing both sides by 4, we quickly work out that K is equal to 3. Put the constant back into line 2, and that gives us our important formula that D equals 3 times E squared. We now use this to answer the question. Find the value of D when E is 5. So D equals 3 times 5 squared, which is 3 times 25, which is 75. Okay, now try this question, which has just got a slight twist for part B, and pause before you see the answer. Okay, so m is directly proportional to the cube root of n. Change the proportion sign to an equals k times. Substitute in your values. When m is 10, n is 8. Okay, well the cube root of 8 is 2, so 10 is k multiplied by 2. Dividing both sides by 2 lends me to find out that k is equal to 5. As always, substitute this into line 2. m equals 5 times by the cube root of n. This is our formula that we'll use throughout the rest of the question. Now, find the value of m when n is 125. So m equals 5 times by the cube root of 125. Well, the cube root of 125 is 5, because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125, and 5 times 5 is 25. For part B, it says find out the value of n when m is 15. So on this question, we're still going to substitute in the values, but it's just to somewhere else. When m is 15, will be substituted into there. So 15 equals 5 multiplied by the cube root of n. Dividing both sides by 5 gives me the fact that 3 is the cube root of n. The cube root of a number is 3, so therefore if I cube both sides to inverse it, I work out that 27 is n. And just checking that, 27, the cube root of 27 is 3, and 3 times 5 does indeed make 15.